In this video, I will show you how you can create an Apple ID on any iPhone. Now to do this, first of all, just go to Settings, and from here, just tap on Apple Account. Now to create a new Apple account, just select Do Not Have an Apple Account. Now on this page, just select the range of your age. I will select Adult. Now in the first name section, just enter your first name. Then in the last name section, just enter your last name. Now from here, just enter your date of birth. After you enter your date of birth, then tap on Continue. Now in this section, just create your Apple ID. After you create your Apple ID, then tap on Continue. Now as you can see, this email address has been already taken. Just tap on OK. Now I'll change it a little bit. Now after that, just tap on Continue and select Create Email Address. Now from here, just create a password for your Apple ID. After you create the password of your Apple ID, then in this section, just enter the password one more time to confirm your password. And after you confirm your password, then tap on Continue. Now after you arrive on this page, now from here, just select your region. Then enter your phone number. After you enter your phone number, then tap on Continue. Now you will receive a verification code on the phone number which you have entered. After you receive the verification code, then enter the verification code over here. Now from here, just select Agree. Now as you can see, it is saying that the previous data on your iPhone will be removed. So if you're okay with that, then just tap on Continue, or you can select other options and you can tap on Continue anyway and merge. Now from here, just enter your lock screen PIN. And as you can see, we have successfully created our Apple ID, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.